Hi again. Today I will be talking about how to send push notification from LogicMachine to iOS and Android devices. In short, the LogicMachine can send any notification to your smartphone, tablet, regardless where you are, because it will find you anywhere as long your device has internet connection. Okay, again, what do we need? Of course, LogicMachine, uh, wireless router, uh, internet connection, and your lovely smartphone. The smartphone must be at least connected to the local network for the configuration. Once all is done, you can take it off your local network, go wherever you want, and LogicMachine will push you all the notification. How does it work? So basically, LogicMachine send data to LogicMachine Cloud. Then LogicMachine Cloud is sending data to either Google services or iOS services, and then depend which device you have, the iOS services are sending the notification to your device. In the same way it's happening on a Google. So from software side, we need iOS app or Android app on your smartphone. And additionally, we need a cloud app on the LogicMachine itself. I have the app already installed, but we can just have a look to the store where it is. We're talking about the LogicMachine cloud configuration. We can just go back, and I will just show you this cloud at the moment is empty. This app can be used not only just for the push notification, but you can also use it to log in to our LogicMachine cloud. So in the past you could use this in Alexa or in Mosaic, but now you can use just this app and log in internally. I'm already logged in, so I will go now to my iPhone itself. Okay, I got my iPhone. Again, I'm doing screen mirroring, and you can see we need to install LogicMachine app from iOS store. I've already done it, so we'll skip that step. So we need to connect to the LogicMachine, and we need to find our local LogicMachine, and we need to add it to our devices. So I'll just press the plus and set it up. And I will just receive push notification. We will not be playing with the Siri. There is another tutorial for this. So just press add device, and we have it already added. And I can just check if I can log in. Yes, I can see the same screen. So the configuration on the iPhone is already finished. So we can actually go back to our to LogicMachine, and I will show you 4 ways how to send push notification to iOS or Android device. The simplest is if you go to LogicMachine app, Cloud app will actually find your device and will add it to the list. You don't need to do it in this order, even if you don't open the Cloud app on LogicMachine. This will be added automatically in the background. So it's enough that end user will just set it up, add his user and his password, and that's it, and it will be automatically added. So I will show you 4 ways how to send push notifications. And the first and the simplest is our send push. So this is just pure test where you can actually test if it's actually working. So just write and put it. And let's see what will happen on the iPhone. And we just received directly the message. It's pretty fast. You can see here is success. And I can open it and clear the app. Okay, that's the simplest way, but not really much can be done here. To be more smart, we need to go to scripting, because that's how the programming will be actually done. So I will create event-based script in here, and I've got prepared the code for us. So this very, very simple script will actually send the notification to a particular device. So we actually literally choosing to which device we will be sending. So we will not send to all of the connected devices, only to the one which we actually have selected. And the selection is based on this big, long number. And this is actually ID, which we can actually read from the cloud app itself. So if I go back, the cloud app, and this big long number, that's what we're looking for. So I can copy this and go back here, and I will paste this here. So this big list actually identify my unique device. So the iOS service will know that this information needs to be sent to my device. So I will actually send test message. So save, and I will just run the script from here again. Yes. So I just received this notification on my phone. Open up and goes directly to the LogicMachine app. So that was the second option, but that's okay. Some of you may want to use it, but it's not the best at all. I will now show you the way how to send to all to send notification to all devices at the same time. So I will create another script under the sensor 2, again event, and again I have prepared the script for us already. So this is simple script with little loop where we will be actually looking for all devices ID. We will create a little table for it, and then we will actually send this to all devices which are actually added. So if I will add another device now or later on, then all of them will be receiving the notification. So I will just send information, your house is on fire. So let's test it again. Save script, run, and we have the notification again. Your house is on fire. And the last option, which I will show you, is for people who don't really like scripts. As you probably know, we have the FB editor in our apps. So I will actually make a use of it, and I will show you how to do it in the FB editor itself. I created already a nice library for it. So I create a nice notification library, and in here I just created the two blocks, which is one is for iOS, another one is for an Android. So let's go to FB editor itself. In FB editor I will create a new diagram. I will call it push. And in here I will create elements. So I have my own user function, and so I will add push notification. As event, I will choose event. I want to trigger this event option, so I will select show option. I will also select this value just to show what we showing, and as this value notification text is our message. So I will also add let's make it a bit more funny. Have a nice day. Okay, apply. And so as a trigger input, I need to select event element address. Let's select our fire section free, apply, and we just need to link it here. Once once the link is done, we always need to show and generate. Once the script is shown, means that we actually have created it, and we can test it. To test it, I will use our live monitoring. The block is done in a way that each time I will send value different than 0, which means for boolean true, or for numeric and a different value than 0, then our message will be sent. So let's send true, okay, and wait, get iPhone and apply. Have a nice day. Your house is on fire. Have a nice day. Okay, that's about it from today's tutorial. I hope you liked it. It's pretty easy. I will drop all the logic and the library onto the LogicMachine forum, and I will drop a link below this video so you can just go and find it easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye.